Hey, it's Dr. Brenda, Money Coach. How you doing today? So I'm at Marathon Junction. I'm at Marathon Park in Wausau, Wisconsin, the middle part of the state. And I grew up about 20 miles from here on the family farm. This was like the hub of activity during the summer. So I'm gonna show you around a little bit. This is COVID summer. This is the summer that wasn't, because this is where the fair is, and way in the back there's a grandstand. There's entertainment. Not this summer. I guess you've got some pickleball players over there, but this is the exhibition building, and where this whole area is where they set up the amusement rides. So I'm going to walk you a little bit through this quaint little area here because I can, and this is very sentimental for me, because when I was a kid we would have family reunions in this little park, so I remember it quite well. And one of the highlights was hopping on this little train. So ice cream, you always have to have ice cream. You're in Wisconsin after all. And a train. So they are open at noon, and they have put some measures in place, but let's see, $1.25 for a train ticket. So I can afford that even. So this is the same little train. It looks like the same little train that I rode as a little girl. So they are, it's still running. They're taking some precautions, limiting train rides to every 15 minutes and cleaning things down and leaving seats empty. So I'm glad that the kids are able to enjoy some of this. But the engineer gets to sit up here, and we would follow him on this track. The splash pool, I'm pretty sure that they have closed that for the summer. So this has been, every campground I've been has been new to me, and it's been kind of neat to go into, familiar territory. And so this is the splash pad, and you see the track goes all the way around. So this park is also really nice. Giant trees, so I have a lot of shade. Even though it might be 90 degrees out, it's about 10 degrees cooler. It's not a full hookup, but it's just power. And I rolled in yesterday from Dane County, Madison, so it wasn't too bad of a drive. And it's a good thing I knew where I was going, because the GPS would have steered me wrong. And yesterday I saw family, some family, and we'll see more family. And I'll post you a video from the farm when we get there. And this is where we would always have our family reunions. I've got a lot of older relatives in this area yet, and they would come from Green Bay, Wausau, Eau Claire, and every summer have a big reunion. And I remember it very well, because we'd have these 5-gallon jugs, 5-gallon containers of ice cream. So I don't know, I've got ice cream on the brain today, so clearly I need to get some. And so you're getting a glimpse of Marathon Park, which is, I don't know how many acres it is, but this is a very big park. So I'm gonna head back to the RV. I've already set up the catio this morning, and of every place that I have been to, oh my goodness, I'm more in the woods this time. And chipmunk, oh my goodness, the cats are going crazy, like, oh my goodness, there's a chipmunk, and squirrels. And so the cats are probably, when I'm walking around, I don't leave them in there. So I had to take them all back in, but They were totally enjoying the wildlife. Lots of squirrels and birds, and they've got tons of stuff to watch. They are spoiled for sure. So this is where I am. It is July 2nd. No fireworks. So all the fun stuff that was going to go on, not going on, but it's nice to be here. So if you want to follow along on my journey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And on that note, I think I'm going to close out this video, and until the next time, bye-bye.